workout.
Oh boy.
We'll wait till you get warmed up. Okay,
Yeah.
now
40
I want
cal.
to see you grip on this.
Okay.
Relax this hand. Put the thumb up here like that. No, relax your hand. Relax your hand. Put your fingers together like this. Okay. Put your palm right here. Like no. Don't try to wrap it. Just put it up. All right. Now you see that. You see that no gap? There you go. There you go. That's how you're gonna do it. Okay. Now, when you're ready, hold on. Hold tight. When you're ready, you're gonna have the safety on. You're gonna have the safety on.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be pointing. Then you're gonna take this thumb. You're gonna drop that down with your safety. Push it down. All right. Now put your thumb back where. You know what? Put your thumb up on top of it. I want to see something. Leave it on top of it. Bring your hand up a little higher. How's that feel?
No.
No? Okay. So you're gonna have to put the thumb down, put it, and then put your hand back. But you gotta keep it. You see, there's no gap in there. You don't want to have any gap. Okay. Now put your finger in the trigger guard. Can you put more? Okay. All right. Now I want you to squeeze the trigger. Squeeze. Okay. Focus. Hold it up to eye level. Squeeze. That's it. One more. That's exactly how I want you to do it. Inhale, exhale, and squeeze. Very good. Let's go try some. Pull the slide back first. Now, when you're pulling it back, hold on a minute. Hold on. No. You see that? You don't want to have your hand cover it. Pinky is your guide. You crimp it right there so you don't cover it. Now, push it up. You got to put your thumb underneath that and push it up next time.
Okay.
To lock it back. Okay. Let's get a magazine and we'll try it. This one. Come on, we're going to try something. We're going to move up a little bit. Right here. Load up when you're ready. Put one in the chamber. Keep your finger out the trigger guard. Watch your hand. Your ear is going to get caught in here if you don't put the little finger in the rear of that.
Okay.
If it's caught, make sure somebody's around to help you. It's going to hurt like hell.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now, get your grip. Don't try to put your hand around it. Put your palm against it and bring it up high. Right, up a little bit more. All right, there you go. Now, focus on it. Now, put your left leg a little bit forward. Left foot a little bit forward. Okay. Tyler, come over this way. Then they're going to eject that way. Okay, now, you line up on the target. Inhale. Blow it out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Whenever you're ready, inhale. Lean forward. Oh, like that. Right, there you go. Oh, not like that. Turn yourself a little bit more. Put your left leg forward more. Right, there you go. Bend your knees a little bit. Right, now, put your front side on it. Inhale. Exhale. And when you're ready, squeeze. Whoa. Take your time. Put the front side on it. You're pushing it. Too much finger. Squeeze it. Nice and easy. Inhale, exhale, and squeeze. Pushing it down.
That's all right. I got it.
Time.
Okay.
Bring your hand up a little higher. Hold on one second. Let me see something.
You embarrass me. Okay.
All right. I just want to make sure. Okay. Come up high. Lock them. Watch. Put the palm in here like that. You see how my fingers are pointing?
Yeah.
My palm as high as I can. These four go around it like that. Bring your hand up higher. Up. No, don't try to wrap. That's it. That's better. Now, let's put the pad of your finger in. Take your time. Exhale. When you're ready, inhale and put the front sight right in the middle of it. Focus on that front sight. pushing it forward. Squeeze slowly. Too much finger. Bring your finger out a little bit. Too much finger on the trigger. You don't want to push it. You want to bring it out like that. All right. Oh, you're snapping it. That's exactly why you're missing it. You're going like this. Inhale. Exhale. And just remember, squeeze. Not snap, squeeze. And as you squeeze it, squeeze. Now, see?
I'm out.
You see what you're doing? Yeah, you're anticipating the shot.
Uh-huh.
Now, it didn't fire. Take your finger
it's
out.
not out.
Now, what you got to do when it doesn't fire, you tap it, you rack it. There's one
No,
in
it
there.
was
And there's
jammed.
one more in there now. So, there's one in there. Let me get that.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh.
Big time. Right.
Don't snap it. Just
I'm trying.
take your finger and just watch my finger. Just go like that. You're going like that.
Yeah.
You gotta just.
I'm anticipating the
Right.
shot.
Exactly.
Yep.
That's
I
why you
can feel
focus all
myself.
your concentration on this.
Totally. Yeah.
Focus all on that.
Let me try like a different.
Bring your left hand up a little bit more, the palm up a little higher. All right, there you go.
All right.
Squeeze when you're ready. Inhale. Blow it out through your lips. And squeeze. Hit the bottom of it. You're not getting better.
Yeah.
Bring the front side up to the middle of the target. Inhale. You're pushing it. You're going down.
It's out.
You're out.
Okay.
Get it.
Oh.
Finger. Watch your finger.
Oh.
On the trigger. Make sure you keep
No,
the
it's
muzzle
not.
pointed that way when you come back.
All right. Let me let Tyler try this.
Huh?
I want to let Tyler
Try it.
try it.
Let me get the other one.
A lot different with
Tyler,
the
you
40.
ready?
Lot different.
Lot
Be
livelier
very
of a
careful.
round.
You're good. Stay right there. You're good.
Right, babe? Yeah.
Same procedure you did before. Drop the safety. Pull the slide back. No. Pull this. No. Not like that. Right. There you go. And let it go. Right. Put the safety back up. You never want to cover that opening because if your hand get caught in there, it's going to be ugly. Now take your time. Put your hand up and grip it correctly. Bring your left hand up. All right. Relax your hand. All right. There you go. You're trying to wrap your finger around that. Keep your finger like that. Keep them straight. Place the palm against the gun. Like that. Right. Both fingers like that. Okay. Now, inhale. Through your nostril. Blow it out through your mouth. Just the pad of your finger. Pad. And line up on the target and squeeze that. You snapped it. See? You're going to miss if you do that. Just the pad of your finger.
There you
Too
go.
much.
Wow.
Oh, you hit the first one. Good. Too much finger. Too much
Tyler.
finger. Easy. Squeeze. Good.
Wow.
Good. All right. Good job.
Good job. Nice. Awesome.
That was awesome. I videoed.
Awesome.
Tyler, that was amazing.
Nice shot.
You want to go again?
Sweet.
That was awesome. I got you on video.
Good job, man. That's beautiful.
Hard. You feel the difference?
Yeah.
That's good shooting, Tyler. That's great.